Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you an absolute beginner's tutorial on how to do calligraphy on Krita. I use Krita on a Surface Pro 7 that comes with a stylus pen. So the first thing you're going to do is, of course, open a canvas of any size that you want. And then you're going to select this basic brush. It is called the Basic 5 size brush. After that, you're going to go to the Tools section and you're going to increase your stabilizer brush to approximately 100 to 200. The stabilizer is basically a function that helps to smoothen your curves and to make your calligraphy look much nicer. It stabilizes the brush strokes. So for comparison, I'll be showing you calligraphy without the stabilizer. And then with the stabilizer. As you can see, there's a huge difference between both of them. The one without the stabilizer has very wonky and uneven strokes, whereas the one with the stabilizer has very smooth strokes. You can play around with the stabilizer level to find the one that is most comfortable for you. Once you have done that, you can import a worksheet into your Krita to use for practice. So this is a worksheet that I downloaded from Cherise from Pieces Calligraphy, and I'll link her website down below in case you're interested in the same one. And so here we are going to start with the basics. So the upstroke and the downstroke. You can also try the compound curve and the ovals. You can also try to do the alphabets to get comfortable with doing calligraphy digitally. So here I have done a practice run, and this helps you find what you're most comfortable with and whether your brush setting needs to be changed. And that is it. Calligraphy on Krita is as simple as this. Now, of course, you could try to manipulate the brush settings in the settings here. And you could try to do all sort of different things. But for an absolute beginner, this is already good enough. That is all that I have for you today. If you liked this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if there are any other tutorials you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe if you already aren't. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you and bye-bye.